Welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, so if you have an 03 to 07 Honda Accord, after you do your oil change, you will need to reset the maintenance required light, which appears once you've reached a certain amount of miles and it wants you to do a service on the vehicle. Many vehicles have an oil change light or something very similar. This one has maintenance required. I'm going to show you quickly how to reset this light. It's real easy to do. We just need to press and hold the trip and cycle the key off and to the run position for it to reset. It will come back on the dash showing you that you reset it. So let's go ahead and do that process right now. Sit you guys right down here. Okay, so up here we have our trip. We're going to press and hold this for 10 seconds. Cycle our key off. I do slide it out slightly and then put it back in. I give it a 5 count. Then I turn the key back on, still holding that trip. Okay, the maintenance required will come on and it'll stay solid. What we're waiting for is the light to go out just like that. So now the light has gone out, we can let off of the trip button. We can cycle the key off one more time, cycle the key back on, and it will not remain on. And that's what we're looking for, guys. We're looking for that maintenance light to stay off after the key is cycled on. So it does cycle on initially to show you that it's there and that it works. But if it stays on solid, that means you need to reset it. And you need to do this every oil change. But guys, this is just some of the content that I bring you guys. Just short, quick stuff that you guys can do in your own garage or in your own driveway. And what this does is helps you kind of save some money and make sure your vehicle is maintained properly. There are times people have taken vehicles into a quick change oil place and they don't reset any of the oil monitor systems. You get a few miles down the road and it trips on. Now, obviously you should look at it and make sure that the work was performed properly. But anytime that is not done properly, it does make you question the quality of work that's being done. Obviously, it is expensive to fix cars. So anytime we can save money, that's what we try to do. Guys, thank you for all the support. Continue hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.